Hello, in this video, we're focusing on the practical concepts that you can actually apply in the real business world. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Today, we'll explore the reasons behind Microsoft's decision to invest $69 billion in acquiring a major gaming company. This deal represents one of the largest in the tech and entertainment industries, showing how important gaming has become as a platform for growth and innovation. We'll look at how this move fits into Microsoft's broader strategy, the potential benefits it brings, and what it means for the future of gaming and technology. Let's dive into why this acquisition is such a significant development. In January 2022, Microsoft revealed plans to acquire Activision Blizzard for nearly $69 billion. Activision Blizzard is a major player in the gaming world, known for popular titles like Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, and Candy Crush. This move surprised many because Microsoft is traditionally known for enterprise software, not gaming. The big question that naturally came up was why such a well-established software company would invest so much in the gaming industry. This deal reflects a strategic decision to expand Microsoft's reach into new entertainment and digital spaces where gaming plays a critical role. It's also about combining Microsoft's technology and ecosystem with Activision's strong gaming franchises, which can open up new opportunities for both companies in the growing market of interactive entertainment. This acquisition wasn't just another business deal. It marked the largest transaction ever seen in the video game industry and became the biggest acquisition in Microsoft's history, even bigger than its previous purchases of LinkedIn and GitHub. Because of its scale and potential impact, it drew intense regulatory attention for almost 2 years, with authorities in the United States, the European Union, and the United Kingdom closely reviewing the deal. This level of scrutiny shows how important this acquisition is, not just for Microsoft or gaming, but for the wider technology market worldwide, as it could influence future competition and innovation on a global scale. Beyond the headline figure, this acquisition was about more than just gaming. Microsoft saw an opportunity to reshape its long-term growth by deepening its foothold in subscription services, expanding its consumer ecosystem, and securing valuable intellectual property in a rapidly evolving digital entertainment landscape. By acquiring Activision Blizzard, Microsoft aims to strengthen its competitive edge by bringing in popular franchises like Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, and Overwatch, creating a more integrated experience for users across platforms like Xbox. This move also aligns with Microsoft's broader strategy to build scalable subscription models and tap into new revenue streams. In this presentation, we'll explore the company's objectives for this deal, the strategic approaches taken, the key factors behind its success, how things have unfolded since the acquisition, and what this means for Microsoft's future in digital entertainment. Gaming is one of the fastest growing parts of global entertainment, bringing in over $175 billion annually. Before this deal, Microsoft was behind some major players like Tencent and Sony in gaming revenue. By acquiring Activision Blizzard, Microsoft quickly became the third largest gaming company by revenue, closing that gap significantly. Activision Blizzard owns some of the most iconic game franchises, including Call of Duty, Diablo, Overwatch, Warcraft, and Candy Crush. These games have made billions over their lifetimes and add huge value to Microsoft's gaming lineup, strengthening its overall ecosystem far beyond just consoles. This move positions Microsoft to better compete and expand its influence in the gaming world. Microsoft's focus on growing Xbox Game Pass is a key part of its long-term strategy. By adding Activision Blizzard's popular titles to the Game Pass library, Microsoft can offer more high-quality games that keep players engaged and subscribed. This not only makes Game Pass more attractive to gamers, but also supports Microsoft's shift from relying on one-time product sales to generating steady, recurring revenue through subscriptions. This approach helps create a more reliable business model and strengthens Microsoft's position in the evolving gaming market. By acquiring Activision's subsidiary King, the maker of Candy Crush, Microsoft significantly strengthened its position in mobile gaming, a sector where it previously had limited presence. Mobile gaming now represents more than half of the total global gaming revenue, making it a crucial area for growth. This move allows Microsoft to tap into a large, rapidly expanding audience and diversify its gaming portfolio beyond traditional console and PC games, supporting its broader strategy to become a dominant player across all gaming platforms. Acquisition is also about positioning Microsoft for the future of entertainment through cloud gaming and the metaverse. By bringing Activision Blizzard's extensive player communities and popular online games into Microsoft's ecosystem, the company strengthens its cloud infrastructure and capabilities for interactive virtual environments. This is more than just growing the gaming catalog. It's about building the foundation for immersive digital experiences where players can connect and engage on new levels, tapping into the long-term potential of these emerging technologies. Microsoft's focus has shifted from standalone products to creating platform ecosystems, and Activision Blizzard aligns perfectly with this approach. Their content can be accessed on consoles, PCs, mobile devices, and cloud streaming platforms, which supports Microsoft's Play Anywhere goal. This multi-platform presence not only broadens reach, but also deepens engagement, allowing users to interact with games seamlessly across different devices. By integrating Activision Blizzard's extensive library into its ecosystem, Microsoft enhances its ability to attract and retain users through flexible access, reinforcing its broader strategy of building interconnected, accessible gaming platforms. Launching a successful new AAA gaming franchise from scratch typically requires 5 to 10 years of development and hundreds of millions of dollars in investment. By acquiring Activision Blizzard, Microsoft effectively skips this lengthy process, gaining immediate access to well-established franchises and their global player communities. This provides a significant time-to-market advantage, allowing Microsoft to quickly expand its gaming ecosystem with proven titles rather than starting from zero. This strategy fits seamlessly with their focus on building platforms and accelerating growth in gaming through existing popular content. Sony's PlayStation has long held dominance with exclusive content, which gave it a strong competitive edge. By acquiring Activision Blizzard, Microsoft not only gained valuable intellectual property, but also created a strategic defense against rival platforms. Importantly, Microsoft publicly committed to keeping Call of Duty available on competitors' platforms, ensuring regulators that the acquisition wouldn't unfairly limit access to this popular franchise. This move maintains goodwill with the broader gaming community, while securing Microsoft's position against its biggest competitor in the console market. Activision Blizzard's intellectual property portfolio is a key strength in this acquisition because it includes franchises that have built strong player loyalty over many years and hold significant cultural relevance. These brands bring consistent engagement from their audiences, support vibrant esports communities, and open up opportunities for storytelling across different media, such as movies and series. This makes the portfolio a valuable and durable asset, providing Microsoft with a solid foundation to expand its gaming ecosystem and build long-term growth. Integrating Activision Blizzard's games into Microsoft Azure plays a crucial role in the success of this acquisition. Azure offers a robust cloud infrastructure with global scalability, powerful data analytics, and efficient delivery systems, which allows Microsoft to optimize how games are distributed and accessed around the world. This integration enhances the cloud's utilization by supporting new models of game delivery that are more flexible and responsive to player needs, such as cloud gaming and real-time updates. By combining these assets, Microsoft not only boosts its cloud strategy, but also positions itself ahead in emerging areas like the metaverse and immersive gaming experiences. This seamless connection between Activision Blizzard's popular franchises and Microsoft's cloud capabilities creates a solid foundation for innovation and growth in gaming platforms. Microsoft's strong financial position, with revenues over $200 billion annually, gives it the ability to manage short-term costs and potential regulatory delays without risking its financial health. This stability is crucial because it means Microsoft can invest in integrating Activision Blizzard thoughtfully and focus on creating long-term value rather than worrying about immediate profits. This financial strength supports smooth execution of the acquisition and ensures the company can withstand any challenges that arise during the process. A key factor in successfully closing the acquisition was Microsoft's adaptable regulatory strategy. They addressed potential antitrust concerns by licensing cloud streaming rights to Ubisoft in select markets. This pragmatic approach helped ease regulatory challenges and ensured smoother progress toward finalizing the deal. By being flexible and cooperative with regulators, Microsoft effectively navigated complex legal hurdles, demonstrating that strategic concessions can be just as important as financial strength in making a large acquisition like this work. Within the first year after integrating Activision Blizzard, Microsoft saw gaming revenue surge by over 40% compared to the previous year, with most of that growth coming directly from the new addition. Xbox content and services revenue, which includes games and subscriptions, increased by more than 60%, showing a strong financial boost from the acquisition. While sales of Xbox hardware actually dropped, Microsoft has been clear that their focus is shifting away from hardware to digital content and subscriptions. This move aims at higher profit margins and aligns with the broader strategy to build a sustainable, service-oriented gaming ecosystem. Adding major Activision Blizzard titles like Diablo 4 and Call of Duty to Game Pass has significantly boosted subscriber engagement, reaching record levels. This expansion not only attracts more players, but also clearly demonstrates the value of the Game Pass service by offering some of the most popular and culturally relevant games. It strengthens the overall appeal of the platform, making it a go-to choice for gamers looking for diverse, high-quality content. This strategic move builds on the strong intellectual property and cloud integration discussed earlier, ensuring the acquisition delivers both immediate and ongoing benefits. The acquisition clearly shifted the industry landscape and competitive balance. One notable effect was the sharp drop in Sony's stock price right after the announcement, which showed how concerned investors were about Microsoft gaining a stronger position in exclusive content. This move by Microsoft intensified competition by adding Activision Blizzard's popular game titles, bolstering Microsoft's offerings and making it a bigger player in gaming. The impact went beyond just financials. It sent ripples through the market as competitors had to reconsider their strategies in response to Microsoft's expanded content portfolio and strengthened market presence. Early stages of integrating Activision Blizzard into Microsoft show promising signs of operational and cultural synergy. We've seen improvements in cost efficiency and a more effective use of cash flow, which aligns well with Microsoft's broader financial strength and capacity to absorb short-term costs. However, this is a complex process and full integration is still underway. The focus remains on blending the two companies' management styles and operational processes to unlock long-term value, building on the strong financial performance, expanded gaming offerings, and shifting competitive landscape we've already discussed. These developments indicate that the acquisition is moving in the right direction, with both companies starting to operate more seamlessly together. Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard for $69 billion was much more than just buying a gaming company. It was a strategic move to shape the future of digital entertainment, focusing on platforms and recurring revenue models. By bringing one of the most valuable content libraries under its umbrella, Microsoft accelerated its shift from being mostly a software company to becoming a leader in a broader ecosystem that includes cloud services, subscriptions, and interactive media. While the high price surprised many, the early results have been encouraging, with significant growth in gaming revenue, an expanded Game Pass offering, and notable changes in the competitive landscape of the industry. This deal not only boosted Microsoft's current position, but also set it up for long-term success in a world where entertainment technology are increasingly intertwined through cloud platforms. Ultimately, it raises the question not of why Microsoft made this investment, but whether it could have afforded not to. If you found this video useful, there's plenty of more business and finance videos on the channel that you'll enjoy watching and get great practical value from. In the meantime, thanks for watching.